Why should you use BlueDriver? Because it turns your smartphone or tablet into a powerful, yet affordable, professional OBDII scan tool that lets you scan and understand your vehicles. BlueDriver is the tool professionals use to save time and money. When you scan your vehicle with BlueDriver, not only will you get the trouble codes, but you'll get a list of all the possible causes and reported fixes from the Identifix database of experienced ASE certified mechanics. BlueDriver is simple to use. Download the free app, plug the sensor into your OBDII port, and pair it with your device via Bluetooth. That's it. You've got everything you need, and there's nothing extra to buy, ever. See how easy it is to scan and read the trouble codes? Then when the issue is fixed, use BlueDriver to turn the check engine light off. With BlueDriver, you can view live data of your vehicle's engine, charging and cooling systems. Check to see if you'll pass the smog check. You can also perform enhanced diagnostics and read and clear airbag, transmission, ABS, and other module codes. BlueDriver, built and supported by a team of professional engineers in North America. It's the portable wireless scan tool professionals trust most. Get BlueDriver today and experience the pro power of being able to scan and understand your vehicle.
The NEXPEAK NX501 is an enhanced OBDII car diagnostic scanner. It's an innovative and useful diagnostic tool when the car's check engine light comes on. It helps you understand what's happening to your car and directs you as to how to fix the problem. It saves you time and money. The NX501 is a full OBDII protocols vehicle scanner. It's compatible with all cars, SUVs, and light trucks sold in the US from 1996 to current. Simply locate your car's OBD2 port, plug it in, turn it on, and you're ready to go. With its full OBD2 function, you can not only read and erase the engine fault codes and check emission status, but you can also display the live sensor data in its unique graphical form, helping to find the cause of engine failures. The battery voltage is monitored at all times and will remind you when the car battery needs replaced. The NX501 supports lifetime free smart update service, 3 years manufacturer warranty, and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Whether you're on a road trip or in the garage, it's a must-have tool for you and your family. Get the NX501, make your life easier.